Yes, this is another Human Made video. I had picked up another shirt right after I had dropped the video of the previous Human Made that I did. Because when I dropped that video, a couple hours later, they did a new drop. And I had to cop the t-shirt that they dropped. They only dropped like 2 t-shirts, but I just had to get one in particular because it was dope. What happened? Don't do that.
No.
Anyway, so I had to pick up a new t-shirt, and it came in quicker than everything that I ordered from the U.S., and it's coming from Japan, and it came quicker than my other packages that came from New York, Florida, and all that other place. Shirt that I got, I'm going to show you in a second. Also, like, comment, subscribe down below. Be sure to follow my cameraman on Instagram at Zavante5000. And what's the other one?
It's only one now.
Alright, so follow him at Zavante5000. He been helping me out. He be helping me put in that work, helping me getting these angles right, helping me getting the lighting right, as you can see. Right here. Got 2 lights, got an LED there right now. So thank you, JD, for helping me getting the lighting right. Also follow me on Instagram at MacXI.exe. Just follow me, and yeah, mainly I post on my stories. I barely post on my actual page. I only post on my actual page when I have something to actually post that's really good. What else? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate that. Also, I'm doing a giveaway in this video. Stay tuned to the end of the video. There's gonna be a short video anyway. But also shout out to Critic, my homie. You got it right. You figured it out what the letters meant on top of the t-shirt that I had.
What do it mean?
It means Storm Cowboy.
Is that like a language or something? Or?
I don't know. It's just what he said. Storm Cowboy.
And it was right.
And he got it right. And also, it's not Nigo. I said it wrong, homie. Correcting me in the comment section. His name is Nigo. My bad. Jesus Christ. Also, there's another dude that got it right. Fuck. Where's my phone?
I got it right.
What's his name? Let's see. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Other guy need to give a shout out to his name, Michael Henry. You got it right too. You probably cheated and copied my homie Critic, but it's cool. You got your shout out. Thank y'all for participating. Unlike some people, oh, too cool. I can't subscribe. I only watch. All that. Anyway, without further ado, let me get to unboxing and get to the
video.
Oh no. Yeah, shut up. Alright, as you know, packaging, human made, yep, nothing special, but something special. Packaging goes a long way when it comes to branding. And let's get to the t-shirt. And the t-shirt is
Coca-Cola.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Get out of the way, hurry.
Ooh.
Boy!
Yeah.
Oh yeah, shout out to my homie Kev, aka Crypto Kev. Jesus Christ, he about to cry. Boy, you don't give me a shout out. Also, shout out to my homeboys in PCF Ninjas. But you get it. But anyway, so this is a shirt that I got from Human Made. I had to cop this because it reminded me of the Coca-Cola bear. For some reason, I thought it was just dope, and I had to copy it. I got this in the 2XL.
My size.
Trust me, it ain't your size, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Put your hands in. I'm sorry. Shucks. But anyway, this is a shirt that I got. I had to cop this. It came in another colorway. It came in a black colorway. So the print on the black colorway, the black outline was white, and the red was, it was still red, yeah. So it was just inverted with the colors. But this is a shirt that I got. I'm rolling the B-roll so you all can see it up close, and it's nice glory so you can see that nice soft cotton. Yeah.
Let me get one more touch, man.
Yeah, you can touch it, man. You can touch it.
My fingers ain't dirty. Let me get one more. Let me get.
But yeah, it is. But yeah, I had to cop this shirt. I'm copying many more. I hope you all want to cop some stuff from them. If you want to cop from them, be sure to follow them on Instagram because that's where they normally post everything that they drop. Just turn your notifications on. You'll see when they drop their new stuff, and you just get it right then and there. Because the XLs and up, you better get them quick because they're gonna go out of what it is,
stock.
Yeah, out of stock real quick. Appreciate it. I just brain dead. Yeah. But yeah, do that. Also, let me get to the giveaway. So the giveaway will be I don't want to do nothing too crazy yet, but just comment down below. I don't care what it is. I know it's gonna be something stupid. You ain't gonna win, so don't even try. Cause soon as you try to enter the win and your name come up in the thing, I'm like, nope, redo it again. So you don't even try, bro. So if y'all want to enter the win, this is a t-shirt you're gonna get. Get right here. I'm giving away this t-shirt for free. So just drop a comment down below. Even an extra caveat would be subscribing as well to my channel. They'll probably give you a little bit of extra, I don't know. But no. But just subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. I just need that support. I'm really enjoying doing this, and I just want to give back to everybody that like, subscribe, and comment on my page, came and checked out my content. Either you're new or you just been around. I just want to give back. Yeah, this is a shirt you can win. I believe it's the XL if I'm not mistaken, because they don't have the sizes on the t-shirt. They just have them on a bag.
Okay, that's weird.
I know, right? Yeah. But yeah, if y'all want to win this t-shirt, just drop a comment down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Anybody can win, and you will understand what I mean by soft gloriness. Is that the word, soft gloriness?
It is now.
It is right there. Mm-hmm. So if y'all want to experience what I experienced when I put these t-shirts on, I just feel like I'm that guy. Mm-hmm. Cop this. I would let you wear it, but I don't want like the person that gonna get it. Like, ew, I smell Devontae on my shirt, so I don't want to do that.
First of all, I smell good.
Alright. Anyway, but y'all want to win this shirt? Do what I said down below. I would greatly appreciate that. Yes, I just threw your shirt. If you win, I don't care. I paid for it. You get it for free. You get free shipping. Don't worry about it. I got you. I got you. So that's the end of the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below, and follow me and my boy on Instagram. We would greatly appreciate that. If y'all need a dope ass photographer, if you're in the Atlanta area, follow my boy JD at Devontae5000 and follow me at mattxi.exe. I would greatly appreciate it. Until the next video will be another tech video, not a PC build, but a tech video that's going to help me increase my production even more than what it is right now. See y'all in the next one. We out. End it. Boy, it is hot. Yes. I had these lights on about 30 minutes, bro. Shit.